Looking for how to fix Facebook app not showing on home screen. In this video I show you how to fix Facebook app not showing on home screen. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. Now I hope that Facebook app showing at home screen. If this method not working, then go to Play Store, search for Facebook, tap on Facebook, uninstall Facebook, then install again. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook app not showing on home screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.